Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a close look at one of the most exciting smartphones of the year, the Google Pixel 9 Pro. Now, at first glance, it might seem compact compared to other flagships, but don't let its smaller size fool you. This phone is packed with powerful features that truly make it a flagship contender for 2024. So whether you're into photography, video, or just want a great all-around phone, stick around because the Pixel 9 Pro has a lot to offer. Let's dive right into what makes this phone stand out. First up, let's talk about the camera system. Google has seriously outdone itself here. The Pixel 9 Pro features a 5x optical telephoto lens, which gives you incredible versatility when it comes to zooming in on distant objects. Whether you're capturing landscapes or zooming in on fine details, the camera quality remains crisp and sharp. On top of that, the 50 megapixels main camera and upgraded ultra-wide lens ensure that your photos look vibrant and professional, even in challenging lighting conditions. And for all the video enthusiasts out there, the Pixel 9 Pro offers 8K video recording, but it's not just any 8K. Google has incorporated cloud computing technology to enhance the video quality, delivering better dynamic range and detail than most other phones. It's a game changer for anyone looking to shoot ultra-crisp video content, whether you're capturing everyday moments or creating something cinematic. Now let's talk about the front-facing camera, which has received a huge upgrade. The Pixel 9 Pro comes with a 42 megapixel selfie camera that gives you an extra-wide field of view, perfect for group selfies or fitting more into the frame without having to stretch your arm. Not only does it improve the quality of your photos, but it also allows for more creativity, especially when combined with Google's impressive photo editing features like RAW capture and full-resolution shots. Despite its compact size, this phone doesn't compromise on performance. The LTPO OLED display is one of the best features of the Pixel 9 Pro, offering incredible brightness, sharpness, and fluidity. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or just scrolling through your apps, the display is stunning and super responsive. Plus, with its solid battery life, even the smaller version of the Pixel 9 Pro can easily last through a full day of heavy use. And let's not forget, it supports 27W fast charging. Though not as fast as the Pro XL's 37W, still solid for getting you through a busy day. What makes the Pixel 9 Pro really unique is how it balances size and power. If you're someone who loves all the bells and whistles of a flagship phone but prefers a more compact form, this phone is perfect for you. It's comfortable to hold, looks premium with its glossy finish, and delivers the performance of larger devices without the bulky size. And there you have it. The Google Pixel 9 Pro is a compact flagship that packs in top-tier features. From its amazing camera system and sleek design to its outstanding display and battery life. If you're looking for a phone that offers everything you need without being too big, this might just be the perfect choice for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and updates. I've got plenty more exciting content coming your way, so make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!